Let's make spicy cilantro lime chicken wings.
Great secret to great chicken wings is the marinade. I'm using fresh lime juice, loads of my Creole spice to give them some nice hot spicy flavor. If you drop something, don't worry. I'll have those marinate in the fridge for 2 hours. Remove the chicken wings from the fridge about 10 minutes before they're ready to go on the grill. Add loads more of that Creole spice to both sides of the chicken wings. Get some butter melting in the bowl, then add in those hot chicken wings and give them a toss. This easy recipe for my cilantro lime sauce is on my YouTube channel. Be sure to check that one out. It has fantastic flavor.
In this easy recipe for chicken wings, what I seasoned them with my Creole spice, marinated in that along with fresh lime juice. I left them in the fridge for a couple of hours, took them out for a few minutes while the grill was heating up, and then I barbecued them. Once I finished grilling them up on the barbecue, I added in a little bit of butter, gave them a toss, and I added in what I call my new favorite sauce, my cilantro lime sauce. That easy recipe is also on my channel. Be sure to check that one out. This is the leftover of the butter and the cilantro lime sauce. I'm going with the flat. And if you remember, the push and pull, we take that flat wing, we push, we pull, we eat, we enjoy. Okay, here we go, here we go. Oh, they're still hot. Push. There we go, I got it. The dip and the pull.